Here in Tornado Alley, severe weather can strike at any moment. Don't leave your family exposed. Protect them with a TornadoSafe certified shelter. Convenience is the key when it comes to safety during a storm. The underground garage units are installed right in your garage. This eliminates the need to go outside during a storm and doesn't require the use of valuable square footage. The TornadoSafe Underground Garage Units feature heavy-duty steel construction that exceeds FEMA 321, 360, and ICC 500 protocols, which includes impact testing, design pressure testing, and uniform load structural pressure testing. The 10-gauge walls are reinforced with 2x2-inch angle iron, and the floors and walls are welded on the inside and out. The 1/4-inch frame is full seam welded, a handrail and sturdy 6-inch metal steps lead down to the 8-inch benches. Sit soundly in your shelter knowing you are covered by a 1/4-inch thick lid that is bent on all 4 sides, making it incredibly strong. The safe latch will hold the lid on tight, but can be fully disabled without tools by simply pulling a pin. The back lid, which is bent on 3 sides, can be used as a secondary exit by removing the wing nuts. And again, no tools are necessary. All of the TornadoSafe Underground Garage Units are encapsulated inside and out with Shelter Shield, creating a non-slip surface and making them impervious to almost any substance typically found in a normal garage environment. The garage units come in 4 different sizes to fit your family's needs. TornadoSafe's trained staff will professionally and efficiently install your underground garage shelter in 4 to 8 hours, depending on the size. When severe weather strikes, you can count on TornadoSafe.